I'll try not to make any crazy eyes. Too late. Okay, well, it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining, birds are singing, crickets are chirping, and here I am sitting around naked. Well, except for my Batman underwear. No, 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 no. Smoking cigarettes, drinking a six pack, and enjoying my fucking weekend with like the least amount of pain I've had all week. So that's another story. Incidentally, if you feel like you're going to break into a coughing fit, stop lifting what you're lifting, straighten your back, and preferably drop to your knees, I think. I don't know. Just stop lifting things if you're coughing. If you're in a, if you're in the throes of a huge coughing fit, don't lift things. You will miss a week's wages and probably jeopardize any advancement in the company that you might have thought you were working towards or something. I don't know. Just don't cough and pick up. Don't cough and pick up. Sage words from a 39 and a half year old.